Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what makes Moka different from other similar apps. Moka is a financial app that helps people save and invest, primarily by rounding up their everyday purchases and investing the spare change. While other apps offer roundup features, Moka distinguishes itself in several key areas. First is its strong focus on behavioral finance. Moka aims to help users build long-term, disciplined investing habits. The app provides tools, including a wealth calculator, designed to show users what they need to invest to reach their financial freedom goals. This focus on long-term behavior and goal tracking is a core differentiator. They even have a feature called Buffett Mode to reinforce wise investment mindsets. Secondly, Moka offers a simplified, focused investment approach. The main investment portfolio is typically a fully managed S&P 500 index portfolio, which is a proven, long-term passive investing strategy recommended by many financial experts. This simplicity is designed to help new investors avoid the confusion and overcomplication often found in other platforms. Third is their pricing model, which is a flat monthly subscription fee, regardless of the size of your investment portfolio. For investors with larger account balances, this flat fee can be significantly lower than the percentage-based management fees charged by many other robo-advisors. However, it's worth noting that for very small balances, the flat fee could be a higher percentage of assets. Finally, Moka often offers socially responsible investing or SRI options, allowing users to invest their money in funds that meet high environmental, social, and governance standards. They also incorporate a social element, such as planting trees for new members, which appeals to a generation focused on making a positive impact. In summary, Moka's main advantages are its deep focus on behavioral science to foster investing discipline, its simple S&P 500-based portfolio, and its flat-fee pricing structure, particularly for growing portfolios. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.